Nancy from Centrick in Solihull. Today I am showcasing this beautiful 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom detached family home on Barbers Lane in Catherine de Barnes. Let's go and take a look. As you can see, the property is extremely spacious, with the kitchen leading on to this separate dining room, which further leads on to a dual aspect living room. To add to all of this, there is a dedicated study and a downstairs WC. Leading upstairs, we have a family bathroom and 4 bedrooms. 3 of the bedrooms are double, with the principal bedroom having its own ensuite. Barbers Lane is set within a small selective development off Hampton Lane in the semi-rural village of Catherine de Barnes. Close by are fantastic walks along the canal and through the countryside, with great local bars and restaurants such as Fox and The Boat. With Birmingham Airport and Birmingham International Train Station being 2 miles away, allows easy access for commuters. It's also a perfect location for those looking to use the new HS2 line. For more information and to book a viewing, contact myself or Gary on 0121 705 3242 option 1.